Earn an income from home. If you're wondering how you can generate money online, there are 6 reliable methods available specifically for teenagers in this video for you. In 2022, it will be simpler than ever to make money online without having to leave the comfort of your home or even your room. But not all online jobs are made equally. Jobs for teenagers won't just be limited to picking up groceries, cutting lawn, and just babysitting. What are the best online jobs for teens right now? Let's dive in. Before we start, welcome to the channel. Zillow Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you want to become wealthy, since we teach all the ways to make money, and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. There are many ways to earn money online, like starting a business, working a side gig for additional money, or pursuing a career as a freelancer. Today's video will cover a variety of topics. 5 ways for teenagers to earn money online legally. The first way is working on Fiverr as a freelancer. Fiverr is a well-known freelancing website. You may earn money by providing a variety of services. It's a great chance for teenagers because the minimum age to sign up is 13, and there are countless services you can provide on Fiverr. Finding your skills and the needs of others becomes the key. You can utilize your current skills, no matter what they are, because there are so many opportunities. Some examples of services that could make for an excellent team project are social media graphic design assistants. Using social media marketing, small company owners and entrepreneurs YouTube video editing. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, you can also write or record music or edit photographs. Fiverr is the best option for teenagers because it can easily be a part-time job that gives you complete control over your schedules. You may set your delivery times to fit into your schedule and alter them as necessary. You can also halt or pause gigs while you're busy so that customers won't be able to order until you are able to complete the work. Each gig has a turnaround time specified that you get to set. Being a Twitch streamer is the second option to earn money as a teenager. With the use of video games, Twitch is a streaming platform recognized primarily for gaming-related material. Although the site now covers much more than just games and has a category called Just Chatting that contains conversational content, such as broadcasts that mimic a talk show or podcast. Art is also a popular topic on Twitch. The minimum age to register for a Twitch profile is 13, making it a legitimate alternative for teenagers looking to make money. It's crucial to remember, though, that you'll need a guardian who is prepared to accept the Twitch terms of service. Of course, you may access content at any time, so it is simple to fit streaming into your existing schedule. Twitch offers substantial income potential if you have exceptional talents with a particular game or if you can establish a unique and memorable channel. Additionally, creating a following on Twitch takes time, so you'll need to be patient and put in a lot of effort before it pays off. However, you don't need millions of followers to be successful, and once you've grown your audience, there are lots of different ways to monetize it, including ads within your stream content, affiliate marketing that promotes services or products offered by other businesses, sponsorships and brand partnerships, subscriptions, and donations. Focus on platforms like TikTok and Snapchat, where the minimum age to sign up for an account is 13 years old, since these well-known apps let you earn money by producing funny video content. This is a great alternative for teens who want to make money. There are a few methods to profit directly from TikTok and Snapchat, as well as indirect ways to profit from your influence and following. You probably already use social media and your smartphone to record videos, so why not monetize these activities? TikTok and Snapchat both offer opportunities for earning money, including the TikTok Creator Fund is a system operated by TikTok that pays some users for their content. And also TikTok coins can be used to tip other creators, including you. Snapchat Spotlight partners with brands seeking to connect with your audience to earn money from making viral videos through sponsorships. As a result, many teenagers who currently use social platforms will find this money-making possibility interesting. While it will take some work to build a following and establish yourself as an influencer, many have found success very quickly. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Selling lessons or courses about your hobbies or passion on Teachable is an additional opportunity for teenagers to make money. If you're between the ages of 13 and 17, you may utilize the online course marketplace Teachable with the consent of your parents or legal guardians. Create your own course or lesson on any subject of your choice with ease using Teachable. They handle customer payments and pay you what you've earned after deducting just a tiny fee. The cost of your Teachable course can be as low as 99 cents, so you don't have need to make a comprehensive, high-end course. You may provide lessons on how to play a certain song on the guitar or drums. Making an online course is a good option for teens because you can tailor it or personalize it to your own interests and your specific knowledge or expertise. It can also be how to learn how to master a game or video game, how to build a following on social media, martial arts, or drawing or painting. The potential to begin establishing a long-term business is an additional advantage that you should take note of. Starting small with only one course gives you the option of adding more later on as you see fit. Additionally, since you only have to build the course once and continuing reselling the same content, doing so is a fantastic way to generate passive revenue. Tutoring children online. While many online tutoring platforms require you to be 18 years of age, that doesn't mean there aren't tutoring opportunities available. Instead of using an existing platform that matches tutors with students, you can make money as a tutor by finding your own clients. You could do the tutoring in person, using Zoom, Skype, or a variety of other systems. Speaking with elementary or middle school teachers may make it easier for you to obtain clients than you initially thought. Contact after-school programs and speak with familiar families. Tutoring is a fantastic way for teenagers to earn money because they can post ads on neighborhood bulletin boards, build a Facebook page, and even make and upload videos to YouTube. Finally, start working on your ideas right away to create something worthwhile and engaging. Put your time and effort to good use, and your efforts will eventually pay off as you establish your web presence by attracting new clients and closing deals. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.